For years, the world has watched China's military grow at an astonishing rate. We've seen them test advanced weapons, hold massive parades flaunting their latest hardware, and make increasingly aggressive moves towards Taiwan. Naturally, this has caused a lot of concern, especially for nearby countries like Japan and for the United States. In response, both nations have ramped up their own defense spending, trying to keep pace and counter Beijing's rising power. But now, something unexpected is happening. China's mighty arms factories are actually slowing down. And the main reason isn't a lack of funding or technology, but something happening from within President Xi Jinping's widespread anti-corruption campaign. Let's look at the numbers. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, or SIPRI, the revenue of China's defense industry dropped by a significant 10% last year. This is pretty striking when you compare it to the global trend. The world's top 100 arms corporations saw their revenues increase by nearly 6% overall. Countries like Japan, Germany, and South Korea all experienced strong growth. The entire Asia-Pacific region would have shown growth too, if not for China's decline dragging the average down. So, what's causing this slump? The anti-corruption purges have had a direct and disruptive effect. They've led to a series of delayed or even canceled arms contracts, which is putting the brakes on the military's modernization efforts. This could even directly impact Xi's ambitious plans, including the potential invasion of Taiwan. Over the past few years, we have seen a revolving door of high-ranking officials being removed from their posts in both the military and major defense companies. Leaders at giants like Norinco, the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, and key missile manufacturers have been purged. Some of these companies have seen their revenues plummet by as much as 31%. Interestingly, not every sector is suffering. Two major state-owned conglomerates, one focused on shipbuilding and the other on aircraft engines, actually managed to record a slight increase in revenue. But they are the exception, not the rule. This all raises a huge question for the future of global security. With Japan rapidly rearming and tensions around Taiwan reaching a boiling point, will China's military rise continue its unstoppable trajectory, or are we witnessing the beginning of a slowdown? The answer could reshape the balance of power in Asia and beyond. What do you think is next for China's military? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.